Hello. Welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will pack our suitcase for vacation. Let's go. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunglasses. These are sunglasses. What are these? These are sunglasses. Sun cream, sun cream, sun cream. This is sun cream. What's this? This is sun cream. Hat, hat, hat. This is a hat. What's this? This is a hat. Beach towel, beach towel, beach towel. This is a beach towel. What's this? This is a beach towel. Flip-flops, flip-flops, flip-flops. These are flip-flops. What are these? These are flip-flops. Thanks for learning today. See you tomorrow when we will learn the letter P.